The out stage is used to export output documents of an aggregation query to a new collection, making it the last stage to be applied in the aggregation pipeline. This tutorial is a continuation from our previous examples that used a lookup stage to join two collections and a project stage to project specific fields. We're using the customers and the Chicago Affordable Housing datasets, both of which are available online at studio3t.com. Once you're ready to save your aggregation pipeline results in a new collection, create a new stage by clicking the green Add a New Stage button and select Out from the drop-down menu. The Out command has a straightforward syntax. In this case, let's name our new collection Customers-Affordable-Housing. We can check the input of this stage by clicking the Show Stage Input button on the bottom left stage input pane to make sure we've got all the data we need to export. Now if we execute the entire pipeline by clicking the Play button in the aggregation editor, we should have a new collection. We'll need to refresh the current database in the connection tree to see it. Right-click the database and choose Refresh Selected Items to refresh just this database. You should then see your new collection on the list. For more great tips and tricks on how to get the most out of Studio 3T, subscribe to our YouTube channel or watch our videos on the lookup and project stages from this aggregation pipeline.